so here it is. There's the bat. There's the bat. And isn't this an oscillator? Yeah, well, a latch is an oscillator if you make it oscillate. Yeah, like a latch is pretty similar to an oscillator if you just switch it around. So, but this one turns this one, so they both turn each other off. So and then you inject here. On switch, off switch. That's the off switch. And that one's the on switch. The on switch. Okay. So when both switches aren't used, that one goes up there, that drags that battery down, that one ends up, that doesn't output. Then this one's here, that one's on and that one doesn't output. Yeah, they both don't output. But then if I pull that off switch, then that one outputs, turns that one off, then that one outputs. And turns that one off. Yeah, so they're both the same. That one, they're both off. And then if I put that on switch, then that one turns that one off. That one off, then that one turns on. So you need two of them though. But it's funny that they're either both on there or they're both off. They're not off, they're on. Yeah, it took me ages to get up to this. And then it's shorting batteries, so the batteries can be running out. And how you're supposed to tell if it's on or if it's off, because you've got a little motor coming off that one. I have to do it with motors, because I used to get two hobby motors because it uses too much power, so I have to use motors, not LEDs. But I suppose if you get the current divider right, just do a current divider off, go to a LED. You should do a current divider here to an LED. That one turns them both on. Which means these are off, and that one turns them. That turns that one on, which turns that one off. Which leaves that one. Oh, no. That one's on and that one's off. No, but I turned it off. Oh no, there's something that doesn't make sense about it. I turned that one off, and then that one turns on, which turns that one off, which turns that one on. I know which turns that one off. Then I turn that one on, which turns that one off, which turns that one on, which keeps that one on. No, it makes sense. So you get an analog, you get some analog sort of feedback system, you see the latches though. Yeah. So that if you can get that latch to work, then you can, make pong and all that happen. And it should keep an analog value, but it ends up drifting or something. It usually slowly goes to 0. Yeah. How long does it keep its state for? So if you got it half on, how long does it stay half on? Probably ages, man. It probably doesn't drift. It's funny if it doesn't.